Today I'd like to show this weather out by Django application framework. So for this application, I made for the customer who own the cafe, and then the owner found the sales and then temperature, humidity, and weather information is really related to their sales amount. So our customer want to get application which can get the weather information easily. So here's how it works. First of all, there's a home button. Read this web page. It's the main page of this application. Whenever the user will open, it will show this page. Second line of the navigation bar, this is the forecast. This is Tokyo's today's temperature, and it seems like rainy. Tomorrow will be a little bit higher temperature. So we can see all these forecasts for each location where the owner has the cafe. Next, so here it means 2022 September's average temperature and humidity. As you can see, this owner had 3 locations, which is Tokyo, Nagoya, and Osaka. So the owner wanted to get the information about each location, average temperature, average humidity, and then I added temperature feels like, because since this is a cafe, as person who like coffee, depends on the weather, I will choose whether hot coffee or iced coffee, So that's what I thought, that would be good to know about this information as well. This is showing monthly average temperature, or each of them average in this month. Also, when you click this button, we can see more details. In this month, at the beginning of this month, it was mostly cloudy. A lot of days are cloudy. Average temperature was 28. Feels like 30 Celsius, and then humidity was 25%. But the middle of the month, the temperature got dropped, so it was 22 Celsius. And then same month, end of the month. So you can see when we separate the monthly part, we can see the difference, especially September, it's between the season, so we can see how temperature change through the month. It will affect their sales, or how many coffee they can sell, or how many hot coffee they need. Something like we can predict their sales information. So go back to home. Now we can change the month to see what was the weather information history. For example, in 2022 March, we can search. It will get different information, depends on the user input the information. Also, when we click here, the information got changed. So, for example, if it's today, March 2023, we would like to know how was the weather information last year. So then we can use this as feature. Also, we can add new location since the owner want to expand their business to all over in Japan. The owner could add more location information through this add location function manually, but we can add some location name, latitude, longitude by hand. Once we submit, we will add more information here. I can add some slide later. The other function of this application is sales function. This is demo information, but once the cafe owners start using this application, they can start building their information, like when, which location of the shop, how much was the sales, what was the max temperature, minimum temperature, and humidity, so that we can see the relation between sales and humidity, sales and the temperature. We could also add to the sales information, like location, sales, temperature, humidity.